Paul, is that a case of job done, or is there more to it?
Sorry, is that a job done? Well, it's job done in respect of get through to the next round, which, you know, you can have a look through the history of the FA Cup, the amount of upsets, and, you know, as people have said in the past and you know, today, that was their big game. But you have to give them a lot of credit, you know, the way in which they came here, set out, and, you know, they got themselves level at one stage. So great credit to them, the way that they handled themselves and the way that they came here and had a real go at the game, for sure.
Did you ever feel that it was going to go against us? There were a few shocks yesterday, weren't there?
Yeah, there's always that chance. But I think when you look at the actual stats, you know, they've had one effort on the goal in the first half and scored from it, and credit to them. And that made it a little bit, I suppose, you can see the confidence and the difference that a goal makes to an individual or collectively, and that perhaps affected us a little bit. But I felt in the second half we started a little bit, we got ourselves in front, we scored a goal, and then all of a sudden we get a little bit more confident. So goals change that for sure, but hopefully that's something to try to build on, something to try to you know, hopefully improve on and go from there, really.
And how do you take that into next week's game at Gateshead?
Well, obviously it's a league game, it's totally different. You know, there's you know, players have given themselves a little bit of a chance in respect of performances, one or two. So give me one or two headaches in that respect. You know, we get maybe the odd player back, etc. But the league is different, isn't it? And that's something that we need to focus on, and we will do throughout this week.
So how are we going to do in the Cup? How do you think we can get to the competition proper?
I think that depends on the draw, doesn't it? As you well know, you know, you get an opportunity where you play a team from lower, you know, you maybe have or feel as though you may have a chance, but also if you play teams from above, it swings and roundabout, it changes around. So, you know, you want to try to progress as much as you possibly can, but I think the draw will sometimes perhaps, you know, make it a little bit interesting, let's say, to say the least.
And a final word, another good crowd here today. What can we do to maintain that?
I don't need to tell you that. You tell me what that is. So we have to score goals, we have to entertain, but we have to win, and that's obviously what we're looking to do week in, week out. You know, second half performances where you do create more chances and you take those chances will help individuals and collectively grow from a confidence point of view, and that's something that we need to keep building on and keep working and keep improving.
Well done, Paul. Thank you very much.